So hello guys and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix your Monopoly Go when it has an error occurred. So let's get right into this. So basically here in Monopoly Go there has been a recent controversy and an issue where Monopoly Go there's going to be an error appearing. So basically all I want you to do is just close your application, and from there just launch Monopoly Go as usual. And as you can see right there, it will load up as usual, but when it's loading up, when it has the error occurred, so it already has been patched, so it will automatically update your Monopoly Go to the latest version, and basically that will make it back to normal. So that's the only thing you have to do. It's that simple. You don't really have to do anything. So if it still doesn't work, I want you to go to your App Store or Google Play Store and search up Monopoly Go. And I want you to update it to the latest version so that you'll be playing in the latest version and there won't be bugs or anything and there won't be any errors. So there you go guys, that is the quick fix on how to remove that Monopoly Go error being occurring. So it's just that simple guys. You don't really have to do anything complicated. So I'll see you again next time.